The reason we don't see direct photographs of black holes is due to several factors. Event horizon. Black holes have an event horizon, which is the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, not even light. This means that any photons, particles of light, that enter the event horizon cannot come back out, making it impossible for us to directly observe or photograph what happens inside. Lack of light. Black holes themselves do not emit or reflect any light. They are incredibly dense objects formed from the gravitational collapse of massive stars. While they exert a powerful gravitational pull on surrounding matter, they do not emit any electromagnetic radiation that would enable us to see them directly. Distance and size. Black holes are often located very far away from us, sometimes millions or billions of light-years away. Additionally, their sizes are relatively small compared to their distance, making it extremely challenging to resolve their features using current telescopes. The black hole at the center of our own Milky Way galaxy, known as Sagittarius A*, has a diameter of about 44 million kilometers, 27 million miles, but it is located approximately 26,000 light-years away. Indirect observations. While we cannot directly see black holes, we can infer their presence and study their effects on surrounding matter. Astronomers use various techniques to indirectly observe black holes, such as studying the accretion disks of matter spiraling into them, observing the powerful jets of particles they can produce, or detecting the gravitational effects they have on nearby objects. Recently, however, there have been significant breakthroughs in capturing indirect images of black holes. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope project successfully obtained the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. The image was of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87. By combining data from multiple telescopes around the world, the project was able to create a composite image that revealed the black hole's silhouette against the surrounding glowing gas. While we may not have direct photographs of black holes yet, ongoing research and technological advancements continue to push the boundaries of our understanding and ability to observe these fascinating cosmic objects.